HODLGANG, HODLGANG, HODLGANG. Ethereum pays for my rent. Bitcoin pays for the vent. Litecoin pays for the jet. Bitcoin cash for the rest. Spent 30 racks on an ICO.
So hello crypto addicts, how you guys doing? So there you goes, guys. Again, I put the news out there. I posted the articles. I kept telling you about this is gonna happen, but you know, people continue, you know, Tron, Ripple, continues. It's just people, you don't know what they're talking about, blah 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 blah. Guys, now look at the bag holder. So every coin is now below minus 20%, guys. You are official a bag holder. So now you potentially gonna be holding into that coin, and you have to, guys. Okay, if you sell on the loss, which you can, okay, if you're still very close to the 20%, you can still sell on the loss and make it back to Bitcoin, because the market is already making a recovery, okay. But listen, that was a fall of $220 billion during the day, so it was quite slow. People had quite a lot of time to move. But here's the thing, guys, it's the typical thing, isn't it? People say hold, don't worry. And this is what happened. So, you know, Bitcoin has really fallen that much, guys. It's not considered a crash. It's about 15.42%. That's not a crash. But any coin with minus 20, you are official in a crash, or obviously in a dump. So you look at the coins, basically you're just gonna go back to last week, to the first week of January, up to now. Guys, you just look what happened. People are pushing this coin. So Cardano, people are pushing Cardano. Look at that, minus 22, right? Ripple, again, a lot of people, listen, follow the media. There's a lot of people, there's a lot of negative approach to Ripple, okay? And it's really, it's the worst coin I ever seen being bashed online. If it's one of those Ripple, guys, look at that, minus 24. Litecoin. Guys, if you start Litecoin, auto Litecoin, you can see the drop is about $40, $40. So, you know, all to it, you know, we will come back up. Is a real coin, is a placeholder, will stay there. All these other coins, as you're about to see, they're all gonna start to collapse down, okay? And the market goes back to his normal thing of the leaders coins taking this position. NEO, guys, NEO, I'm surprised that NEO has only been minus 13%. Not a crash yet. Still a big drop though, guys, about almost $46 from what it was. Still big dump, okay, guys. Potentially this coin is going to carry on dump and again disappears, and you could be holding, or you could be back holding that coin. So like I said, guys, it's not at 20% yet. So if you're still holding, you could potentially be holding into that coin now for another 6 months, okay. So if you still gotta sell it, convert into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, you know, usually the top leaders, convert to one of those coins, a coin that is a mineable coin, guys. Stay away. You see this one is a strish there. This is a non-mineable coins, guys. Stay away from those coins. And usually, as you can see, because these coins are obviously manipulated by the programmers and the creators, you know, the coins aren't mined. You can see those are the coins who are actually making you to be a bag holder, right? So you look at every coin who has this sign, pretty much they all crashed, okay. Stellar, look at Stellar. So Stellar, no Ripple, the developer moved away from Ripple to go to Stellar because, you know, obviously Ripple is desperate to get a branded name into the systems to try and pump the thing up. So now Stellar is now part of Ripple, as you can see, minus 23%. IOTA, you know, this is usually a coin that dumps quite fast, is still dumping. So you guys, again, it's a good time for you guys to make those moves if he hasn't got to 20% yet, to minus 20. Look at the Tron, you remember Tron? Look at that, 31% there. Is going to be a lot of buy goals and a lot of disappointed people, guys. And again, you look, there is the sign telling you that, again, is a non-mineable coin, which is totally manipulated by the programmers. Quantum, you can see again another coin which been showing up a lot in the social media. People get it, minus 22. Guys, just keep looking. Now Lisk, this is a coin I actually talked about yesterday, guys, on the website, and I did test and it does mine and they have proof of stake. However, guys, I just noticed, talking to one yesterday after uploading the video, he actually called me to that issue. Sometimes you do miss, sometimes you make those mistakes. In CoinMarketCap it says it's a non-mineable coin. Now, to be fair, the mining actually stopped this morning, and when I checked, they stopped it around 2 o'clock, so I can't mine the coin anymore. So, you know, obviously dropping that one. Again, going back to my under $1 coins such as, you know, Digibyte, D-Notes, sticking to those coins above with obviously leaders, so Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. This is the coins you guys should always be keeping. If you're going to keep things online, keep at least 75% of your holdings into those coins. If you're going to keep it offline, then keep it on a wallet, keep it offline, okay? But make sure you hold those top coins. Again, obviously, apart from Ripple, guys, because Ripple, as you guys can see, has been there for most of the year, and the coin, I don't know why it's there. No one knows why it's there. It shouldn't be on a coin market cap because it's not even considered a coin as a policy of being a cryptocurrency. It shouldn't be there. Most of these coins, non-mineable coins, should really not be here, guys. This is the tricky coins. This is pump and dumps, and as you guys can see, EOS is now just minus 80%, guys. Another coin that's been pushed a lot. Okay, it's very close to a crash, so minus 18%. So you can still sell at the loss, guys. He hasn't really dropped that much. It's about $5, $6, $7. Guys, cut the losses, cut the chase, move it to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is already recovering. Okay, I'm telling you now, Bitcoin is already recovering from the crash, and Litecoin as well. So it's already moves on there, pushing the market to the positive. So by in the next hour or two, we should start seeing some changes of those top coins. Omsego, so again, another coin heavily pumped last year. Then guys, dropped now almost to $20, minus 60%. So before it gets 20%, like I said, guys, cut to the chase, cost the losses, move it out before it's too late. Stratis, look at that, Stratis again, minus 23. So you can see most of the coins, guys, are pump, and now dropping like crazy. Okay. And BitConnect, those that people, BitConnect is a bit of a catch-22. There is some legal issues, there is some things going about, but nothing is quite as consistent as other things that never made to the coin market cap. But BitConnect still going, guys. So it's 226. Is in a crash, okay? So it's minus 24%. I don't go very much on that. So pretty much what I had there, I already take it out. Everything else that is there is all profit. But there goes, it still works. Now Verge, look at the Verge coin, guys. Is another coin, another one of my coins below $1. That's expected to have this drop, minus 28%. But Verge, is the privacy coin. Okay, this is a very, very good coin. It is nearly as fast as Digibyte. It can be mined as well. So obviously, that coin should recover significantly quick. Okay. But again, guys, you just go and you look at the coins that are dropping. Those are the coins were pretty much troughing during the first week of January up to now. People are pumping, and as you can see, people are just dumping. As soon as even look at Dogecoin, guys, minus 26. So you guys see what happened when people see no movements on the market. They start to push people to these little coins, and then as soon as there is a sign of recovery from the top coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, people start to drop these coins. They just leave you holding the bags, guys. That's what happened. Like I told before, all these coins, the small coins, the majority of the small coins, they're all working for the coins that you can buy in the dollar, right? So not to say just Bitcoin, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. This is the most prominent. Bitcoin Cash should start, from today. I think from today you should be able to buy Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase. So another coin you can buy the dollar. So all these coins you actually can buy for cash, guys. All the other coins are working for those coins. Okay, so again, it's all about trying to stay on the top. Very simple numbers. Don't sell it for less than you bought it, and obviously don't buy it for any more than you paid for, whatever. Okay, so buy low, sell high. Is the team. It's quite simple. The idea is quite simple. What you make is based on the percentage that you have, and it's, guys, simple numbers. Okay, so here it goes. So buy golders, guys, cryptocurrency buy golders, and you to avoid getting involved in these pump and dumps, which is what we're seeing right here. Okay, it's activity of pump and dump. There is a little lot up on the market, and everybody else panics and starts to sell. And and that's the result. We got a lot of buy golders at the moment. Okay, guys, so please comment, rate, and subscribe. Check the links below this video. Read our articles. Go to wellsexpress.com and post your comments, any ideas, any coins you want me to review, guys. Non-mineable coins. I really not interested in those coins because no, they're not controlled by the people. They are controlled by the creators and the programmers. So, guys, so you know, your chances of winning anything in there are very, very slim. Unless you are one of the guys who's pumping the coin up front everybody else, and then you get out before anybody else does, and creating a lot of bug holders. So once again, guys, please comment and subscribe, click the like button, and come and join us on Crypto Addicts on Facebook group, where I post videos just for that group there as well. The links are below this video. Bye bye for now.
Bitcoin and things like it is the equivalent of the red pill.
This is a technology, it's a computing language, and I can build an app on it.
Is Bitcoin the currency of the future?
Crypto gang, ether gang, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew them up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No. Wreck about to go and join the HODL gang. HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang. Crypto gang, ether gang, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew them up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No. Wreck about to go and join the HODL gang. HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang. Ethereum pays for my rent. Bitcoin pays for the vent. Litecoin pays for the jet. Bitcoin cash for the rest. Spent 30 racks on an ICO. What coin did you buy? I forgot, yo. Just got started last night, bro. And I'm already hooked like a pipe, though. Flipping the coin, making it grow, taking it slow, letting it go. Cash flow's growing, it's incredible to watch it flow. Stacking the cash, taking it home, making it fast. I'm on a roll. Little bit mo's all I ask for the bubble, though. Currently learning about a new type of currency. Burning the dollar down like an emergency. Urgently, listen, my friends have been urging me. Coins have been surging, we're earning like surgency. We on a mission, man. Crypto maniac. Act like you don't really know about it. Stop that. Bitcoin blowing up like a bomb. Step back. Used to be a couple $100. Should've copped that. Blew up on a scene from the mind of a brainiac. Back in 2009, where the miners at? Silk Road, baby, it's gotta be anonymous. Satoshi blew up, now we on the map. Crypto gang, ether gang, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew them up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No. Wreck about to go and join the HODL gang. HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang. Everybody looking at me now and they're shocked now cause the price going down. Meanwhile, I'ma cop more at a discount with a smile cause I'm making money on the altcoins right now. I'ma double down like animal style sup now. People in the crowd, they watching me bubble up now. Open up a brand new Coinbase account and I'm buying everything from Ripple to Litecoin now. Pull out my principle, keep it real simple, then play with the house. Investing in crypto, I'm chasing these coins like they cheese to a mouse. I'm on the verge of a digital currency, merging technologies. This is the future, so obviously I'm all in. There's no bottom, we HODL it now. HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang. Throw your hands in the air, man, if you down with the blockchain. I ain't got time for the haters, man. We about to grow to 1 million. HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang. Tell me, are you down with the crypto? HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang. Throw your hands in the air, man, if you down with the blockchain. I ain't got time for the haters, man. We about to grow to 1 million. HODL gang, HODL gang, HODL gang. Tell me, are you down with the crypto?
It is the most powerful technology that the world has seen, I believe, since the invention of agriculture.
Bitcoin is exciting because it shows how cheap it can be. Bitcoin is better than currency.
As with most major technology shifts, let's think about what young people are doing. 32% of young people say they prefer Bitcoin to stocks. 42% of millennial males say they plan to purchase Bitcoin in the next 5 years. We're barely in the first inning right now.